Hey, how you guys doing? Today I want to just talk about behind the scenes, what's coming up, publisher journey. Today I worked on setting up the book, their newest current book, another new book that's going to be published. Editing is finished. We're working on the designs, but I set up the book on all the major platforms out there. Okay, so the book is going to be about crochet. So HowExpert Guide to Crochet is coming soon. Worked on it. All the major platforms like Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, audiobook platforms, just setting it up right now. I don't have all the final files, but setting it up just to prepare, because that's really important, man. Because you don't want to wait until you get all the files, then submit. You want to just get ready right now as much as you can. Whatever you can do, you want to do that. You want to just get it done. Whatever you can do, just do it, so that when you get all the files from the designer, whoever you're working with, collaborating with, that's all ready. And when you speed things up, whatever you're responsible for, like for me, I'm responsible for coming up with the titles, the final title, subtitle, and the description at the end of the day, and I got to send that to my designer. If I lag, if I'm slowing down, my design's going to be slowed down. My designer's going to be slowed down, so do whatever you can. I look up to this mentor, online. I met him one time, Eric Thomas, and he used to say, he had a seminar called Get Ready. No, stay ready. Okay, get ready to stay ready, because you never know when the opportunity is going to come at you. And if you're not ready, if you're not getting ready, doing the maximizing whatever you have, you can't stay ready. You can't maximize and maximize that opportunity. So get ready, stay ready to get ready, okay? Because you never know when the opportunity comes, So you can strike the iron when it's hot. And basically, seize the moment, okay? So that's it right now. That's why today I was working on behind the scenes, setting up all the book to all the major platforms before I have the book formatted, finished. I'm going to work on that before I have the design finished. But I did what I could do, which is, setting up the ISBN, putting on the title, subtitle, description, final file, checking it and submitting it to all the platforms out there, so I can really speed it up. Okay, so that's it. Publisher journey behind the scenes. If you want to learn more about publishing, click the link below the video. Check out my recommended resources. Thanks for watching the video. I gotta go. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.